The activities aim to help users understand what about magnetism. A. Its various properties. B. Its taste. C. Its weight. D. Its color. The correct answer is A. Its various properties. What proportion of individuals in India is diabetic? A. 1 in every 12. B. 1 in every 8. C. 1 in every 10. D. 1 in every 4. The correct answer is B. 1 in every 8. Why is chitin shed regularly by the earthworm? A. To allow for reproduction. B. To help with digestion. C. To attract mates. D. To allow the body to grow. The correct answer is D. To allow the body to grow. Besides soil temperature, what other phenomenon was Chandrayaan-3 designed to study on the moon? A. Lunar winds. B. Solar flares. C. Moonquakes. D. Volcanic activity. The correct answer is C. Moonquakes. What is the binomial name for a human being? A. Canis familiaris. B. Oryza sativa. C. Homo sapiens. D. Felis catus. The correct answer is C. Homo sapiens. What is the characteristic of the hypodermis in a dicot stem? A. Undifferentiated. B. Cholenchymatous. C. Sclerenchymatous. D. Absent. The correct answer is B. Cholenchymatous. Muscle is made up of which type of cell? A. Nerve cell. B. Blood cell. C. Muscle cell. D. Bone cell. The correct answer is C. Muscle cell. What is the typical quantity of vitamins required by the body? A. Variable quantities depending on activity. B. Large quantities. C. Moderate quantities. D. Minute quantities. The correct answer is D. Minute quantities. What does the ANS enable the body to maintain? A. External environmental interactions. B. Unpredictable visceral responses. C. Erratic internal states. D. Steady internal conditions. The correct answer is D. Steady internal conditions. 1 atmosphere is equivalent to how many Newton force acting on 1 square meter? A. 1000. B. 100,000. C. 10,000. D. 1 million. The correct answer is B. 100,000. What is the central part of a cell that contains genetic material? A. Mitochondria. B. Cell wall. C. Cytoplasm. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is D. Nucleus. Which two planets always appear very close to the Sun and are never seen in the midnight sky? A. Saturn and Uranus. B. Neptune and Pluto. C. Mars and Jupiter. D. Venus and Mercury. The correct answer is D. Venus and Mercury. Which object is listed that is made of a material that does not allow the bulb to glow? A. Safety pin. B. Hairpin. C. Rubber. D. Pin. The correct answer is C. Rubber. What is the release of a mature ovum from the ovary called? A. Ovulation. B. Menstruation. C. Implantation. D. Fertilization. The correct answer is A. Ovulation. Which type of muscle constitutes the heart? A. Smooth muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Antagonist muscle. D. Skeletal muscle. The correct answer is B. Cardiac muscle. Who is associated with the concept of induction based on the options provided? A. Newton. B. Faraday. C. Maxwell. D. Einstein. The correct answer is B. Faraday. What is the general physical state of bases? A. Liquid state. B. Solid state. C. Plasma state. D. Gaseous state. The correct answer is B. Solid state. Quantities that cannot be expressed in terms of any other physical quantities are called what? A. Fundamental quantities. B. Vector quantities. C. Scalar quantities. D. Derived quantities. The correct answer is A. Fundamental quantities. How do seeds transfer unique characteristics to subsequent generations? A. Through photosynthesis. B. Through nutrient absorption. C. Through water uptake. D. Through genetic inheritance. The correct answer is D. Through genetic inheritance. If a reaction takes place in both directions, what is the backward reaction responsible for? A. Increasing the initial rates. B. Forming UB. C. Reversing the forward process. D. Combining reactants. The correct answer is C. Reversing the forward process. What is one common use of carbon dioxide? A. To prepare soft drinks or aerated drinks. B. To inflate tires. C. To purify water. D. To generate electricity. The correct answer is A. To prepare soft drinks or aerated drinks. What is the equivalent resistance in a series circuit compared to the highest resistance? A. Less than the highest resistance. B. Equal to the highest resistance. C. Half of the highest resistance. D. More than the highest resistance. The correct answer is D. More than the highest resistance. Which of the following is not a constituent of glomerular filtrate? A. Amino acids. B. Proteins. C. Vitamins. D. Glucose. The correct answer is B. Proteins. What is the characteristic property of a compound with a coordinate bond related to its reactions? A. It undergoes molecular reactions. B. It undergoes nuclear reactions. C. It participates in ionic reactions. D. It participates in redox reactions only. The correct answer is A. It undergoes molecular reactions. What determines the classification of organisms into osmoconformers and osmoregulators? A. Their mechanism of osmoregulation. B. Their method of reproduction. C. Their diet. D. Their habitat temperature. The correct answer is A. Their mechanism of osmoregulation. Which medical technician performs tests on patient samples? A. Medical lab tech. B. Nuclear medicine tech. C. Medical X-ray tech. D. Ophthalmic assistant. The correct answer is A. Medical lab tech. Which type of radiation has very low ionization power? A. Gamma rays. B. Alpha particles. C. Beta particles. D. Protons. The correct answer is A. Gamma rays. What do acids produce when they ionize in water? A. Ong ions. B. Salt precipitates. C. Metallic oxides. D. H plus ions. The correct answer is D. H plus ions. What is the function of the minute teeth found on the jaws of a leech? A. To grasp prey and cut the host's skin. B. To secrete digestive enzymes. C. To filter water. D. To chew food into small pieces. The correct answer is A. To grasp prey and cut the host's skin. Which term is also used to describe insulators? A. Bad conductors of electricity. B. Good conductors. C. Superconductors. D. Resistors. The correct answer is A. Bad conductors of electricity. How did you score?